Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you're all fine. So this is the lecture for class 6 subject English, and today we will revise our present continuous and past continuous tense, and this is your lecture number 14. I know you are well known and familiar with both of these tenses because we are continuously practicing of both these tenses, present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Today I will revise the whole previous lectures formation and some examples, and after that I will give you a diary and you will practice it at home. So let's start. This is your lecture number 14. First you will know about the tense. What is the tense? Tense means to indicate time or a period. We can say that it is tense, like ज़माने को tense कहते हैं, and we have three basic periods or three basic times: present, past and future. So today we will discuss present continuous tense. What does continuous mean? Continuous means to going on, something going on continuously but not completed, but there is no end. So it means that continuous means muसलसल जारी रहना, and there is no end of the action. So definition of the present continuous is a continuous action in the present that is called present continuous tense. In Urdu we can say that in the end of the sentence we have the words like that: रहा है, रही है, रहा हूँ, रहे हैं. Like मैं खाना पका रहा हूँ या मैं खाना पका रही हूँ. Okay. Students, there is the formation of present continuous tense. First we put the subject, and after that is or am according to the subject. If there is singular, then we use is. If there is a plural subject, we use are, and if there is a I as a subject use, we can use here helping verb am. These are helping verbs to show that it is present. After that we have present participle. It means that ing form to show that it is continuous, and after that we put the object like माली पौधों को पानी दे रहा है. Here is an example like the gardener is watering the plant. The gardener, Mali, subject, is watering, present continuous, the plant's object. So here is a complete affirmative sentence example. The gardener is watering the plant. Affirmative means musbat jumle. Now we have negative and interrogative as well, like वो सच नहीं बोल रही है. That is negative because there is a use of not. क्या वो सच बोल रही है? There is a use of question mark and क्या. Formation is subject plus is rm plus not. It is used for negative, and plus ing form and object like she is not speaking the truth. After that we have interrogative formation is rm at the start of the sentence according to the subject. After that we put the subject and ing form, and after that object, and obviously question mark is necessary for it to show that it is interrogative sentence. So is she speaking the truth? क्या वो सच बोल रही है? Is a complete example. बच्चे किताबें खरीद रहे हैं. Children are buying books. Children are not buying books. Are children buying books? Question mark. Are children not buying books? It means that it is negative plus interrogative. Are children not buying books? क्या बच्चे किताबें नहीं खरीद रहे हैं? That is the example for present continuous. Is rm plus ing form. Student, after the present continuous tense, let's have a look on the past continuous tense. Continuous means something going on. Past continuous means a continuous action in the past time is called past continuous. It means action was going on in the past but not completed. In Urdu we have the identification of by saying these words. रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे वगैरह आता है. हम रमज़ान के रोज़े रख रहे थे, या बच्चा रो रहा था, वो स्कूल जा रही थी. There are the identification of that it is a past continuous. रहे that is used for the continuous, and थे था these are used for the past. So here is a affirmative formation. First we put the subject, and after that was were according to the subject. If there is a subject singular, then we put was, and if there is a subject in plural form, then we use were. According to subject we use was and were. That shows that it is past. After that obviously for continuous tense we have ing form, and after that object and is equal together past continuous. Like there is an example: we were keeping Ramadan fast. We we के साथ क्या आएगा? were. The child was crying. Child is a singular, so we put here was. Was show that it is past, and crying shows that it is continuous. She was going to school. We have negative formation. First we write the subject, after that was, were and not, ing form plus object. तुम अखबार नहीं पढ़ रहे थे. नहीं, नेगेटिव. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस नेगेटिव. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस नेगेटिव. थे कॉन्टिन्यूस, रहे नहीं नेगेटिव. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. You were not reading newspaper. You were not reading newspaper. Interrogative sentence. First we use helping verbs. Was and were are the verbs of helping verbs of the past, and after that we put the subject, and according to subject we put was and were. And after that, after subject we use ing form, present participle, but in other way we can say that, and after that object and question mark. क्या तुम अखबार पढ़ रहे थे? Question mark. Were you reading newspaper? Question mark. There is also W's question. What, where, when. This kind of question can be asked. Then first you will put the W's question, after that you use the helping verb. There is was, and if there is a present continuous we use is, rm according to the subject, and after that subject, and after that ing form and object. Like हम खत कब लिख रहे थे? When were we writing a letter? अगर हम ये कहेंगे हम खत कब लिख रहे हैं? When are we writing a letter? That is present continuous, and that is the example of past continuous, were and are. So students, I have told you the formation, negative, affirmative and interrogative, and also tell the definition and the identification in Urdu as well with examples. Now there is an example of present and past with the same one sentence. बिल्ली दूध पी रही थी, पी रही है. Present continuous, बिल्ली दूध पी रही थी. Past continuous. The cat is drinking milk. बिल्ली दूध पी रही है. The cat is not drinking milk. बिल्ली दूध पी नहीं रही है. Is the cat drinking milk? Question mark. क्या बिल्ली दूध पी रही है? Is the cat not drinking milk? क्या बिल्ली दूध नहीं पी रही है? These are all the example of present continuous. And now we convert it into past continuous. बिल्ली दूध पी रही थी. The cat was drinking milk. The cat was not drinking milk. बिल्ली दूध नहीं पी रही थी. Was the cat drinking milk? क्या बिल्ली दूध पी रही थी? Question mark. Was the cat not drinking milk? क्या बिल्ली दूध नहीं पी रही थी? Question mark. So here is the example of present and past continuous tense. So student, today's your diaries. Write any 10 sentences that belongs to present or past continuous on your notebook. Writing should be very neat, and fill your index page as well with mentioning date and day. 10 आपने sentences लिखने हैं present continuous और past continuous के. अल्लाह हाफिज़.